Now we will learn about how to export in Excel and CSV. So for Excel, you have to install a new package called Write Excel, and you have to use function write XLSX. And if it is not XLSX, if it is XLS, then you have to use XLS. And the arguments are also pretty simple. So you have to pass the data which you want to export, and then the path name along with the file name. So you can change all these file name and all those things. Now let me quickly walk you through the demo of it. So first I am installing the packages. So I'm not going to install because I have already installed, and as I said earlier also, you can check any package whether this has been installed or not. So like I can check quickly whether Write Excel is already installed or not. So yeah, I can see that Write Excel is there. So I don't need to do it, but I have to load it. So I will call library function. Then I'm creating a new data frame. So I'm creating a new data frame from empty car. I'm taking only the first three brand of car, first three row. If you remember row comma column. So I'm taking only the first three row and creating a new data frame. And you can see the new data frame as well. You can select my df and you can see, yeah, so three new data frame, three new car brand is there. Now I am going to export this data. So now I'm going to export this data in an Excel spreadsheet, and this is my data which is being stored, and I'm going to name the data frame as new empty car .xls. So right, and where I want to do it in the same chapter 5. So if you let me show you chapter 5. Right now nothing is there, no Excel file is there, but now I will run this code. Once this is done, you can now open and you can see new empty car is there, and if you open empty car, new empty car, you would see the same exactly data frame has been stored. Okay, now how to do the same thing for CSV. If you want to export it as a CSV, you don't need any extra packages. Simply inbuilt function can work for this. So write.csv is the function which we are going to use, and the arguments are same, which data you want to export and where you want to export. So right now I want to export it as a mydf.csv. So right now there is nothing called my df.csv, but once I run this code and then if you go, the new data frame has been created. Just now it has been created. So that is how we can export into anything. So we learned about how to export in text file, then in Excel, then in CSV. Now this is actually end of import and export data in R, and in next video we are going to learn about how to manipulate the data. And why this is important, because as I told earlier also, that before even you do any kind of model building, you have to first import the data, which we learned. Now before we do a model, we have to clean the data, we have to see whether the data are in right format or not. So to do that, we need couple of new function to learn and couple of new packages also to learn, so that we can manipulate our data whatever way we want.